How to fix Instagram call notification not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the notifications option you see there and then tap on the Instagram option. Further, go ahead and make sure the Allow Notifications toggle button is toggled on, and also make sure the lock screen, notification center, and banners radio button are selected. Next, under banner styles, go ahead and select the persistent option so you can see incoming call alerts. Also, make sure that the toggle button for sounds and badges are toggled on too. Next, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for notifications. Tap on that and then tap on the messages option you see there and ensure message request is on. Now go back and tap on the calls option and ensure video chat is enabled, and if not, then enable video chats. Next, go ahead and open settings of your iPhone again and tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, navigate to Instagram and make sure the background app refresh for Instagram is enabled. Also, on your home screen, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, go ahead and tap on focus and make sure the focus mode is not enabled. Also, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated to its latest version. And if it is already updated, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram app. Further, go ahead and delete the app and then reinstall the app again from your App Store and then log in again. Reinstalling fixes notification sync issues that updates sometimes break. Next, make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Also, avoid any type of VPN or proxy apps, and if none of these fixes your issue, then you can also try to enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again to refresh the connection. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram call notification not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.